Jason here from JS Auto Fix. Got a little video here for you. Not going to take up much of your time. I just wanted to show you. I'd actually went and bought a nice toolkit from an auto parts store there, and super nice. Love the kit. It was missing one part. The kit was regular $700. You know, a socket set, 3 ratchets, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch drive, 20-point sockets, everything. Thing was $700 regular. It was on clearance for I think $150, and it was missing one piece. So I was like, wow, great deal. So I went ahead and bought it. I got it home. All the tools came in little trays. You know, it wasn't a snap down kit. None of that stuff. So I'm like, what the hell am I gonna do with this? Set 5 trays on my bench? Like, no, I don't think so. So, anyways, I went ahead and started thinking about how I could build a little toolbox, and show you what I came up with there. Went and got some. I went to my local metal wholesaler and bought some mesh for fireplaces and what have you. Super. It's light, you know, but it works great. Looks good. I like it. I'd actually put a strip of chrome up each side, but I've since lost this guy. But anyways, yeah. So all I had done, I made this one a little higher on the top, and yeah, I just made this one a little higher on the top. So I put one tray in here, put the other one in, tucked it there, rested it nicely, and actually then just done another little shelf up there on a little bit of an angle, and put a little piece of that in. Just tack welded is all I done, right? Just with a small little MIG welder. The top one, same deal. And then I put one more top one there, and I just threw a couple little things underneath it to prop it up. But I mean, I could have welded a little piece of flat stock or whatever. And I know you're looking at this, you're wondering, what is this? What's going on here? Well, that's my buddy had actually gave me that piece. It's off 53 Mercury, I believe, and it was for the trunk cover. So it ended up just putting a light in it and polished it up and put it back to, you know, light it up. So it makes a great conversation piece in your garage. You know, it looks good. I like it. I think it looks good. You know, you tell me what you think. But yeah, turned out pretty good, I think, for the most part. I'll go ahead and shut this light out here.